Hi, I'm Dr. Arjnur from Dr. Arjnur's IELTS Institute. In the series of the latest cue card of May to August 22, today's cue card is an invention that changed the world. Cues are what it is, how you learned about it, what change it has brought. I have made a sample answer for you. Let's start with that. A new invention every day has become a trend of 21st century. Many people have been working from home since the epidemic COVID-19 hit the whole world. Though the phase of lockdown was tedious, but thanks to optical fiber cable network that kept the communication industry in motion. And that's why the war did not cease and people were saved from starvation. Mr. Narendra Singh Kapani, the inventor of this miraculous invention, became immortal by this invention. His great contribution to internet connectivity. The origin of computer in early 70s had already dazzled the whole world with its unaccountable amenities. But with the passage of time, the expectation of mankind from the science went on increasing. Although internet facilitated people in many fields, yet some hazards like slow-paced and network problems were on the way, which were not matching with the fast pace of the human brain. There was a need of something that could work faster than blink of an eye, and the invention of optical fiber cable did that wonder. The culture of work from home could come in existence only due to this priceless splendor. Now we can easily transfer huge amount of information before even a snap of finger or in fraction of seconds. The amazing miracle of 4G and 5G network came into existence due to this marvel. We know this is an era of electronic gadgets with high-speed internet connectivity. This has revolutionized the field of education also. Online classes have fulfilled the dream of distant learners. Wide memory of gadgets have facilitated students of professional streams like engineering and medical to download important lessons from various resources and save their precious time for collecting useful information required for their academics. Only with the invention of this, we can enjoy YouTube videos, Netflix, play online games, attend Zoom line sessions and connect with the people at a distance of 1,000 miles. Needless to say, the comfort and excellence we are enjoying today all due to this marvelous invention. I have used some vocab words to make this speaking cue card impressive. I'm giving the answers or the meanings of these vocab words. Let's have a look on these. First word is epidemic. Epidemic means any contagious disease that is affecting many people in a widespread area. Second word is seize. Seize to something that is ended or to end something. Miraculous, that is magical or supernatural. Dazzle, to overpower with light that blinds. That light that blinds something, we are not able to see anything in that powerful light. Unaccountable means cannot be counted. Immortal means any person who is exempted from death, who does not die. It is not possible otherwise that anyone who takes birth is going to die, but the people with great personality who remains in the minds of the people always, these people are called immortal because their memories are always alive. Next word is amenities. Amenities means facilities. Eighth word is splendor. Splendor means extraordinary, beautiful. Priceless. Priceless means inestimable. We cannot estimate the price of something, having value beyond to pay. Then marvel. Marvel means surprising or phenomenon. 11th word is miracle. Miracle means surprising happening with pleasant results. Marvelous means amazing or stunning. So these are the meanings of the vocabularies I have used in this cue card. Stay connected for further updates. Keep on watching our videos, and if you like the videos, must press the like button and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.